I'm Tom McNichol, the president of the Charles River Cleanup Boat. The Charles River is a beautiful gem. We have operated since 2004, and in that period, the river has gone from being covered with floating islands of trash to a wonderful place for wildlife. We keep the boat at Watertown Yacht Club. We pick our volunteers up behind the community rowing facility, and we head down the river to the Sachem Bridge 4 days a week. People come for fun, they come for solitude, they come to enjoy the outdoors, and the bottom line is we keep the river looking good, and we have a good time doing it from the first week of May until the first week of October. We only go in good weather. We do not go if the weather is threatening or if there's any possibility of danger. Safety is the number one concern, and the volunteers are essential to our being able to operate. They show up on time, they're enthusiastic, and they are all ages, from young children with their parents to people that are very senior. Some people come once a month. Some people come once a year, and they spend a nice day enjoying the river. If you want to volunteer, please read the volunteer information page. When it comes to financing this operation, which has over 400 people involved, the support of a boat, all of the insurances, titles, maintenance, winterization, storage, it takes a significant amount of money. All of the money for the cleanup boat has come from private donation. We are totally dependent on private donations. We are a 501c3 qualified tax-deductible organization. We file our forms annually with both the IRS and the Attorney General. We know that the states and the counties don't have the money to clean the river. The DCR helps us with the removal of trash and allows us to get rid of the trash that we pick up in a safe and lawful manner. The river is getting cleaner and cleaner. The wildlife is coming back every year. We see cormorant, great blue heron, waterfowl, new fish are coming back all the time. We find all types of interesting things in the river. We have found a full portable outhouse. We have pulled logs and tree trunks from the river. We have found bicycles. We have found toys. We have found shopping carts. We found carved wooden statues of Pakistani goddesses. We've found briefcases. And yes, we found a body about 10 years ago. Our organization takes pride in keeping the river squeaky clean all spring, summer, and fall. For more information on the cleanup boat and complete details, please go to our website, cleanupboat.org.